Hey Era Gang, it's your girl Era and I am back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. So come along with me and see what my new apartment looks like. Okay, so when you first walk into the door, it's empty. You know, I'm going to come out with a apartment tour when it's fully furnished later on. This is my kitchen. There's a stove. I got an air fryer. And then there's the refrigerator. And then this is the living room. Nice and spacious. That's just something with a boiler in it. I don't know. I can't go in there. And then I got my TV stand with my 40-inch TV. And then in this door, I got the nice little bathroom set up. Here's the bathroom. Here's the mirror. Nice little camera action going on. And I'm just gonna take you out the bathroom. Right here is a closet. It's kind of junky right now. It's full of bags and stuff like that. There you go. And then here's where all the magic happens, the bedroom. So this is my bedroom. There's my TV. My little nightstand with all my stuff on it. And then I have a nice walk-in closet. As you can see, it's a nice walk-in closet. Nice, spacious, and everything. And that's the end of the video. Make sure you give this video a like. Please subscribe, join the fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye!